Annyeonghaseyo. So, good evening, Manila, and also Mary Grace, Ate Mary Grace. So, who is your sponsor?
Jimin.
Okay, so, Iho Jinim. So, during our teachers meeting earlier, so, Iho Jinim, your beloved sponsor, gives you 1,000 pesos as your allowance. So, if I'm going to ask you, where are you going to use your money? Dako ang 1,000 gamay. Dako. So, asa man mo gamiton ang kwarta nimo?
Yung sa iban na niyang uban ipalit ang snack testing.
Snack sa school. So, muhog ka sa Sigwana sad. Sure. Okay, so Mary Grace said that she will use her allowance to buy snacks from school, and also she will also put some savings to her Cebuana. So, pila man ang miso sa Cebuana? 500. Imo na to ngaon? So, ang uban na mo na ipalit og snacks para sa school. Wala na dahil kay Choco Pie. Wala na. Okay. So, kailangan ng Choco Pie? Okay, so, but that is not all. Also, ihatag sad si Hojini o pariha sa una, fish. So, that is milkfish ha, which is katong bangos. And also, the pork. Lehog ko Manila. Iusan na sila Manila. Kaya madaga. And for the fruits, yara lang naman. And also here. So, just like sa una, naakin sa to, mangga, isda, baboy, mara na no. So, kagon, nanasad kay fruits, which is the mango, the oranges, the watermelon, the pork, and the fish here. So, that is milkfish bangus. So, that is from your beloved sponsor, Iho Jini. Okay, so, kaundagan ha. Okay, and sa to'y 3 rules ni teacher. Study hard. Play well. Okay, so study hard, play well, money mogo. So, kaundaghan, okay? So, salamat kayo Manila, and also to Iho Junim, kamsahamnida. Good night.
White ma or brown para makaputi sa atin. Ay, ali di ay nunsa mo kung gayan mo magaling. Kana ba? Maka white sa tiil.
Yan na. Huwag sa wala pa bayad. Huwag. Ay, ginawa. Nono sa. Apa na pili ko? Dili sa umay o bayad sa ta.
These are the shoes that I bought earlier from the donation I received from you yesterday. Kamsahamnida.
Medial sounds.
Medial sound.
Kanin siya, letter E. So, ang sound sa letter A, always, very good, ha. Okay, start reading.
Dam, jam, ham, ram, yan,
Yam.
yam,
O, taguan yung kamutan.
yam, man, van, cat, hat, bar, far, lad, sad, tak, map, kap,
Again.
kap,
Okay.
fat,
Sani?
fad, fab,
Letter Pa. There.
nap, jak, jak,
Ga.
gap,
Sana?
gap,
Ga. Very good. Next. Now, sounds letter E. The sounds sa letter E. E. E will be happen. Okay, start.
bed, wet,
Ang kamot, ang kamot.
wet, get, minute, minute, fell, fell, deal, pit,
Sani?
pit, pit,
Ang last word, ang last letter N. Ano si sound sa N? Okay, so fine.
pit,
Pe,